is wrong. We have to help the dinosaurs. Let's depart. Depart means to leave and begin a journey. Our journey has begun. We'll help them. Journey means a trip from one place to another. Huh? What's that? This is a dinosaur egg. Let's observe carefully. Observe means to watch carefully. But where is its mother? The mother is across the border. Border means the edge between two areas. The mother dinosaur is in danger. The T-Rex is fierce. Fierce means very strong and dangerous. Togi is clasping the egg. Clasp means to hold something tightly. Don't worry, I'm certain your baby is safe. Certain means being sure about something.
My baby is my greatest treasure.
Treasure means something very special and valuable.
I know what to do.
She used wisdom. Wisdom means making good decisions and solving problems in a smart way.
Thank you. You did a superb job.
Superb means excellent. It's time to go home. Goodbye.